I bought a new gaming chair and I thought I'd make a video on how to put it together and share it with you guys. As you can see, this is the X-Rocker Helix Office Gaming Chair. So here we have some screws and an Allen key, a leaflet inside. We get some assembly instructions. We get legs, the bracket, the base of the legs, the gas pump, some wheels, armrests, upper backrest, lumbar and the seat itself. First thing we need to do is put the legs together. So for this we're going to need the Allen wrench and the short screws labelled G on the packet. If we get our bracket here and we slot it into our leg and match it up with the hole there, then we get one of our screws. We put it in, as you can see. Then we get our Allen wrench, put that in and just screw it in place. Tightly like that, and you just repeat for every other leg. Next, we need to put the wheels into the legs. See, if you get the wheel, you just push it into the leg like that, and you repeat, same for every leg. Now we need to put our bracket back on, and then we put our gas pump in as well. Now we need to connect the upper backrest and the lumbar. So the two tabs at the top of the lumbar here will slot into these two openings on the bottom of the upper backrest. Armrests will hold this together. Now we're going to put the armrest on to hold the upper backrest and the lumbar together. For this we will need the long screws, which will be labelled as G1 on the packaging. That's it. You need to screw the lumbar into the armrest. Now I'm going to be connecting the seat to the armrest using the same G1 screws. As you can see at the bottom here it says front, so we'll turn that to the side. Now we need to repeat the process on the other side. So now we need to put the bottom bracket onto the bottom of the chair. If you just have a quick look here, as you can see it says front, so that will point towards the front of the chair. So just put it here, match it up there with the screw holes. If we get the screws, which are going to be the G2 screws you'll be using, put them in, grab your Allen key, Now time to put the seat onto the legs itself. So we just need to put this into there, and then we're done. And there you go, my friends, a fully built X-Rocker Helix office gaming chair. It does look aesthetically pleasing and it is super comfortable. Also, the headrest does adjust. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe for more reviews. See ya in the next video.